I that the Lord of all the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my hurt? Who am I that the bright and morning star would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow, a wave tossed in the ocean, vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling, Lord, you catch me when I'm falling, and you told me who I am. I am yours. I am yours. Who am I that the eyes that see my sin would look on me with love and watch me rise again? Who am I that the voice that calmed the sea would call out through the rain and calm the storm in me? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow, a wave tossed in the ocean, a vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling, Lord, you catch me when I'm falling, and you told me who I am. I am yours. Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow, a wave tossed in the ocean, a vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling, Lord, you catch me when I'm falling. You told me who I am. I am yours. I am yours. I am yours. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? 'Cause I am yours. I am yours. full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive, and I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like, Daddy, why's the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? Will I be tall and strong and brave? There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. The promise that's sacred, the promise from heaven above. No matter where you go, always know you can depend on your Father's love, especially when it's cold, especially when you're lonely, when the little heart's just trying to find its way. And I know the world is always changing, but remember, son, some things never change. Even when our life on earth is through, there will still be part of me in you. Some things are forever, nothing's ever gonna take my love from you. Like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. Did I hug enough? Did I care enough when you most needed me? Was I there enough to make you feel the power of your Father's love? That's when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence. My father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my Father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my Father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my Father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Panahong siya'y hari, masiglang kanyang pagbati, mahigpit ang hawak ng mga daliri, at ang lakad na may matuwid. Mahusay ang kanyang talumpati, makisig kung siya'y magdamit. Malalim ang kanyang pag-iisip, at lahat ay sa kanyang nakatitig. Ngunit ngayong siya'y pagod na, mahina na rin ang katawan. Nagmamasdan na lamang sa bintana ang unti-unting pagdaloy ng ulan. At ang unang tanong sa umaga, kung ano ang kanyang nagawa sa paglipas ng 70 taon, nang siya'y malakas at bata pa. Lolo, Ngunit mahal ko pa si Lolo Jose, kahit sa ngayon ay daos na. Sa piling ng mga alaala, lagi na lamang nag-iisa. Kahit sulyap walang maaasahan, sa anak na di man siya mapagbigyan. At ang unang tanong sa umaga, kung mayroon pa siyang magigisnan, naliwanag sa nalalabing buhay. Ngayon siya'y matanda at laos na. Si Lolo Jose, si Lolo Jose, si Lolo Jose ay matanda na. Ngunit mahal ko pa si Lolo Jose, kahit siya ngayon ay laos na. Sa dilim ng kanyang pag-aatang, maghapon na lang nakabantay. Kung kanyang matatanaw pa ang hiwaga, nang hindi malimot niyang nakaraan. At ang diwa ng kahapon, di na matagpuan. At ang sinag ng umaga, dinaanan ng ulan. At ang hirap na nasa puso, di na mapapantayan. Kung maaari lang pawiin ang dusa. Si Lolo